bringing me down.
This is a Manhattan-bound E local train. The next stop is Steinway Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
New York, you're safe and you're wasting my time. Our records all show you were filthy but fine. But they shuttered your store when you opened the door to the cops who were born once they run out of crime. New York, you're perfect, oh please don't change a thing. Your multi-billionaire mayor is now convinced he's a king. And so the boring collect. I'm in all this respect. And the neighborhood bars I once lived out of.
This is Steinway Street.
New York, I love you, but you're freaking me out. There's a ton of the twist, but we're fresh out of shout. Like a death in the hall that you hear through your wall. New York, I love you, but you're freaking me out.
Local train. The next stop is 36th.
New York, I love you, but you're bringing me
Closing
down.
doors, please.
New York, I love you, but you're bringing me down. Like a death of the heart. Jesus, where do I start? But you're still the one pool where I'd happily drown. And oh, take me off your mailing list for kids who think it still exists. Yes, for those who think it still exists. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe you're right. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Maybe I'm wrong, and just maybe you're right. And oh, maybe mother told you true, and there'll always be somebody there for you, and you'll never be alone. But maybe she's wrong, maybe I'm right, and just maybe she's wrong. Maybe she's wrong, and maybe I'm right, and if so, is there answer?
This is a Manhattan-bound E local train. The next stop is Long Island.
Stand clear of the closing doors.